Okay, welcome guys. This is APJ from Confident Technology, and today I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot laptop power supply, or you can still call it AC adapter. So I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot the laptop power supply using the digital multimeter. But first, I'm going to show you how to use this multimeter or how to read this multimeter if you are troubleshooting for AC and DC voltage, and also AC, DC current, resistor, transistor, and other electronic component. So let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the multimeter and this is the manual. Okay, in the pack we have this is the tester, the multimeter tester, and this is the testing map, or call it the testing lead. We'll be having two testing lead needed, that is the red and the black testing lead. Okay, and this is the tester itself. Okay guys, so this is the red testing lead and this is the black testing lead. Most often when testing for any electronic component like the AC voltage, the DC voltage, the AC ampere, the DC ampere, resistor, diode, buzzer, or transistor, and that of the wave, you connect the red testing lead to the jack, that is the voltage ohms and the milliampere jack. So the red will also or always go to the the voltage ohms and the milliampere jack, and the black testing lead will always go to the COM jack, that is the commercial jack. So you connect the two like this, and this tunnel, at the end of the tunnel we have a lay arrow at the end of this tunnel, and this arrow indicate that whenever you're pointing to that division, that is the section or area the meter is on. So as you can see, the arrow is on off, so the meter is off for now. And I'm going to show you this. As you can see, we have a black section. In this black section, we have this symbol represent DC voltage, that is a direct voltage, the one used by the computer. Mostly is from 200 down to 1.5, or from 20 down to 1.5 DC voltage. And here this is the AC voltage. This is the one that comes from the all light, that is ranging from 100 volt up to 240 volt and above. As you can see, we have 750 volt, that is high voltage. So when testing for alternating current, you use this, and when testing for direct alternating voltage, you use this, and when testing for direct voltage, you use this. The one can be used by the computer. And here, as you can see, we have the direct ampere. So we see the whole green arrow indicating the direct ampere, and here we have 10 ampere, that is DC, 10 DC ampere. And then here, as you can see, the whole green section, we have from 2000 kilo ohms to 200 ohms. So as you can see, this sign represent resistor, and this sign represent the buzzer. When the resistor is above 20 ohms, it gives a sound, or when the negative, that is a positive and the negative or testing map is touched together, and then it gives a sound. And as you can see, the HFE, this HFE represents transistor, that is the negative, positive, negative, and the positive, negative, positive, and this represents the wave. So this is the multimeter. If we have to put it on, as you can see, we are reading HV, that is high voltage, on DC, and if we have to switch this to the booster in the diode, if we switch it to that of the booster in the diode and connect the two testing mode, give us a sound. Okay, so guys, this is it. Now let's see how best we can test for both AC and DC voltage. Okay guys, so we move to an all light. As you can see, let me make it to understand. If you are above the test for 19 volt or 20 volt, you have to put it above 20 volt, and if you are about to test for 200 volt, you have to put it above 200, that is about 500 volt. So we understand in Africa the normal current we use here is 240 volt above 220, so we cannot put the tester on 200 or else it's going to cause problem for us. So we are going to put it on 750. As you can see, when we put it on 750, we have half voltage. Okay, so firstly you are going to take the black and insert the black into the lead, and then the reciprocal, and then you put the red. So as you can see, we have 220 volt and 218, 220, 218, 220, 219. Why? Because alternating current, these are currents that rise and fall, they are unstable. So as you can see, if you are testing for the alternating current, make sure to put it on 750 volt if you get the same type of digital multimeter. Okay, watch out for the next video on how to troubleshoot the DC voltage and know the various pins in the power supply of the laptop. So watch out for our next video. If you have any comments, please leave it down in the description or the section below. And thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. This is Confident Technology 2018.